So what I'm doing here, DIY, is I'm cutting this out, jackhammer that out so I can set a smart waste down in there. So when I'm waterproofing tomorrow, it can all be waterproofed down into the pipe. Same here. The reason I use a wet sponge is that it keeps down the dust. When you're doing your home renovations, keeping down the dust as much as you can helps a lot, but you still make a lot of dust. You can't help it, but if you can minimise it, well then you're laughing. Right, I'll jackhammer that out soon. I'm going to mark out my waste. I'm going to mark out my niche, and I'll cut that out too. On the outside wall is brick, I think, so I might pick up a pre-made niche from the tile place and pop it in. Okay, but I'll see when I cut it out. Okay, see ya.